Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Simple English Circle podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. We're really happy you're here with us today.
This podcast is for English beginners.
We use simple English, we speak slowly, and we keep it relaxed.
No grammar stress.
Just real English you can actually use.
Today, we're talking about how to order food in a restaurant.
A real restaurant. You sit down, you order food, you eat, you pay.
Exactly. Let's imagine we're going together.
Sounds good. I'm hungry already.
So you walk into the restaurant and sit at a table.
A waiter comes over and says, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, you can say, "Yes, please."
And if you're not ready, be polite.
You can say, "Not yet, thank you. We need a few more minutes."
That sounds friendly. Nobody's angry about that.
Now you look at the menu.
Sometimes menus can feel a little overwhelming.
Yes, especially when you see the word course.
Let's explain that one.
A course is one part of a meal.
First course, maybe soup or salad.
Second course, the main food.
Third course, dessert.
So if someone says 3-course meal, it just means 3 parts.
Not 3 plates at the same time. That would be a lot.
Now you're ready to order your main food.
A very easy way to start is, "I'd like."
For example, "I'd like the pasta."
Or, "I'd like the chicken, please."
Adding please is always a good idea.
Yes, polite English is happy English.
Okay, now let's talk about burgers.
Ah, yes, burgers always come with questions.
The waiter might ask, "How many patties?"
1 patty or 2 patties?
And now John looks scared.
Just a little.
Don't worry, a patty is just the meat, the burger meat.
1 patty is 1 piece of meat,
2 patties means double meat,
which also means a bigger burger.
and maybe a nap later.
Definitely a nap.
Sometimes the waiter will also ask if you want a combo,
A combo usually means the burger comes with fries.
and sometimes a drink too, like Coca-Cola or Pepsi. You can also say it short, Coke.
Easy choice. 1 order, everything together.
Yummy. Now let's move to pizza.
Another important life skill.
The waiter may ask, "What toppings would you like?"
A topping is technically anything you put on the pizza.
Sure, pepperoni, mushrooms, olives.
Pineapple.
Stop. This is a podcast, not a crime scene. Pineapple does not belong on pizza.
Okay, I'll let the listeners decide before you call the police. Anyway, moving from criminal toppings to something actually serious, allergies.
Yes, now this matters a lot.
If you're allergic to something, the restaurant should know.
For example, peanuts.
You can say, "I'm allergic to peanuts."
Or, "No peanuts, please, I'm allergic."
This helps the kitchen be careful.
And it helps you stay safe.
Correct. Okay, real life moment.
Uh-oh.
You're in the restaurant and you need the toilet.
This happens more often than people talk about.
You can ask the waiter, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?"
In Canada and the US, people usually say restroom or bathroom.
In some places, people say toilet, and that's okay too.
All of them work. Just ask politely.
Now, after you finish eating,
You're full, you're happy.
you ask for the bill.
You can say, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Or, "Could we get the check?"
Both are very common.
Now, tipping.
In Canada and the United States, tipping is common.
Usually around 15 to 20%.
In Europe, tipping is different.
Sometimes smaller, sometimes already included.
If you're not sure, it's okay to look around or ask.
Now, before we finish, let's do one easy practice.
Listen first.
I'd like a burger, 1 patty, with fries and Coke, please.
Pause the podcast and say it out loud.
Take your time.
Okay, welcome back. Nice job.
If you're watching on YouTube, tell us your restaurant order in the comments.
And we need to know, pineapple on pizza, yes or no?
This is important.
Very important.
Guys, if this episode helped you, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Simple English Circle podcast for more real English conversations.
Thanks so much for listening.
See you next time.
And enjoy your next restaurant visit.
Bye.
Bye-bye.